Hey guys, today I'm going to be upcycling some denim. All you need for this DIY is some fabric paint. I used acrylic because it's all that I had, and these shorts that I got from Plato's Closet. So I started out by just sketching the design that I wanted on the shorts with a gel pen. You can look on Pinterest or Tumblr if you need inspiration. They have a lot of denim upcycling ideas, so go ahead and take a look before you start. Also, I just wanted to mention, if this is your first time doing something like this and you're not quite sure how it'll turn out, you can totally just use something thrifted like I did here, because it makes it so much easier. I chose to go with a basic black and white sun and moon design, so here I am just painting on the pockets around the design that I drew.
Would you let me take you to a higher place? No, 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 I bet you will never know. There's a universe inside of you. Can I?
Since you shed my sun to see it, I never knew where I was going. I went where the water was flowing. I know I've been gone a long time ago. I'm back and I want what is mine. I know.
So these are the results. I'm really pleased with how they turned out, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.
This shit was